Hello and welcome to a new video. This video is kinda impulsive because my little brother here decided to wash the engine bay with foam. And who has foam? Well, we do. So we're going to foam in this engine bay here. In this. Older model of Volvo V70. And hopefully the car can start after. Well, his choice, his mistakes. And yeah, by the way, my little brother here is changing tires into summer tires, because here in Sweden we really need winter tires in the winter, because it's super cold here. Not super cold, but it's cold, and we have snow and stuff, so well, it makes sense to have winter tires. And now it's spring. Why don't we do a hand wash while we are here on our little bit of, not dirty Audi here, but first hand wash of the year. So yeah, it can be good, it can be good. We are going to use a very big bucket here with our foam, of course. And we are going to use Angel Wax Enigma shampoo. And I liked it last summer, and hopefully I like it this summer as well. So yeah. thing in this video, well, cleaning the engine bay with foam. And hopefully it will go good. Go good. Be awesome. Be clean. I'm pretty pleased. Are you?
Yeah. I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah. Well, it's not a new car, but it's a lift at least.
It's a lot cleaner than it was at least.
Yes, a lot. So, well, thanks for watching, and well, as usual, see you guys in the next one.